Medical devices retailers in the midst of pandemic. Coronavirus has entered Indonesia since the beginning of March. The first 2 cases of corona in Indonesia provide active response to the entire community and government. The government asks the public to protect themselves by using masks, hand sanitizers, gloves, and consume some vitamins, avoid ourselves from crowded places, and reduce activities outside the home. Before coronavirus entered Indonesia, products in medical devices retailers weren't purchased by the public for their daily needs. They just purchased for urgent needs and hospital needs. With this condition, all people will come to medical devices retailers to get these medical devices for their daily needs.
In facing this pandemic, many consumer behavior already changed, such as buyers will tend to pay more attention to the value or function of a product and do some panic buy. This makes a significant impact on medical devices retailers. Some of these impacts start from increased sales until some retailers experience a vacancy of goods. Rising prices due to the number of goods not in accordance with demand. The impact due to the imposition of large-scale social restrictions or PSB.
Pasca diumumkannya kasus pertama virus corona di Indonesia, sejumlah warga ibu kota Jakarta berburu masker tipe N95 dan masker tutup biasa di Pasar Pramuka. Meski harga 2 jenis masker itu kini melambung, warga tetap membelinya, khawatir terjangkit virus corona. Pasar Pramuka mendadak dipenuhi warga yang mencari dan membeli masker. Warga bahkan menyempatkan waktu di sela kesibukan mereka demi mendapatkan masker. Padahal harga masker N95 naik hingga 1000% dari harga biasanya Rp200.000 menjadi Rp1.200.000.
Jadi banyak cepat habis, orang borong semua gitu. Yang paling banyak yang dicari.
Medical device retailers respond to this issue by making sure all products was available in the right time and right quantity. It's all by maintaining their supply and distributors in supplying the product. Furthermore, in this pandemic there are many transformations such as consumers in online channels or e-commerce. It's not only millennial generation. Generations before millennials, such as the boomer generation, starts to use this media to buy medical. This is related also towards the implementation of a large-scale social restriction system. So, the medical devices retailers now start to join this channel in selling their product to get more customers. They start to sell their products in a few e-commerce stores such as Tokopedia, Lazada, Shopee, and also Instagram. Medical devices retailers also maintain their storage by applying the first expired first out method for pharmaceutical products and vitamins products. This is a method that prioritizes selling products who have the closest expiration date. And this method is run to make sure that no products are wasted and result in lost sales. In some modern medical equipment retailers, they also apply this first expired first out method, which is also added by giving discounts to products that have the closest expiration period. The government also helped in efforts to deal with the scarcity of several medical devices, as has been appealed to by the government after this.
Masyarakat diminta untuk tidak membeli masker medis di tengah pandemi COVID-19 karena masker tersebut diprioritaskan untuk pasien dan tenaga medis. Masyarakat cukup menggunakan masker kain 3 lapis yang bisa dibuat di rumah saat berada di tempat umum. Dalam konferensi pers di kantor BNPB Minggu siang, pakar gugus tugas percepatan penanganan COVID-19 Wiku Adhisa Smito menjelaskan ada 3 jenis masker yang dapat mencegah penularan, yakni masker kain 3 lapis, masker bedah, dan masker N95. Masker kain 3 lapis digunakan oleh masyarakat, sedangkan tenaga kesehatan yang kontak dengan pasien harus memakai masker bedah dan alat pelindung diri atau APD atau masker N95.
Pembuatan dan model masker kain dapat disesuaikan dengan wajah. Pastikan tangan yang digunakan bersih dan harus menutupi hidung hingga dagu, serta tidak longgar. Masyarakat dapat membuat masker dari kain bersih dengan cara dijahit secara manual atau menggunakan mesin. Masker kain sebaiknya diganti, dicuci dengan sabun secara rutin. Ini adalah masker kainnya yang harus diganti apabila mulai basah dan dicuci secara rutin. Jadi mungkin kita bisa memiliki beberapa masker kain.
This has a significant impact where the availability of inventory on medical devices retailers returns to normal and has an impact on prices as well, where prices have returned to normal average prices in general. So, it can be concluded that the strategy of medical devices retailers in dealing and responding with this pandemic is by maintaining their suppliers and distributors in supplying the product, start selling medical devices products in e-commerce, and apply first expired, first out inventory strategies.